Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Lexus RX 350. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.